everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are headed to Jacksonville today. We have been hit with storms in Florida every day for weeks, so kind of put a damper on travel plans lately, and when I pulled up the weather map today, it appears Jacksonville is in a safe zone, no rain, so that's where we're headed to today. Also going to take you to one of our favorite food places. Any of y'all from Texas, you may guess before you even watch the video because it's a Texas thing. So we will see you guys there and let you know, as always, what we think of Jacksonville Beach. All right, see you soon. Realize the pier is actually closed right now. They're doing construction, so we won't be able to go up on the pier, but we'll show some footage of what's going on and try to find out when it's supposed to be open again. So let's go take a look. Now I do have to say, the last time I was here, probably about 20 years ago, so giving it another shot. I was not super impressed back then, but I'm hoping from pictures and everything else, it looks a lot nicer. The walkways are all new, beautiful area. Looks like they got volleyball courts over there. And then here's the pier. They're working on it. Hit subscribe and also select the bell and all. That way you can be notified every time we upload a new video showing you a new place that we've reviewed. The biggest thing is giving it the sand test, so we're going to give it a feel and see. Oh my lord. Okay, it's super soft, but it's pretty warm, so we're going to go check out a place to sit. Get set up. I can tell you the waves are much bigger here, which is nice because a lot of the beaches that we visit have really small waves. So these waves look pretty normal. I did notice a lot more surfers here. So bright without sunglasses on. I'm glad that we picked here today because it was so dark and rainy where we were at, and I'm glad that the map did not lie to us. Like I said before, they're pretty decent. Not a strong current though, which is nice. So, I don't know, it's pretty strong. I'm gonna go ahead and put my mask on. Pretty yeah, it is. That was just sucking me back.
Everyone is now there. out. We're gonna go underneath the pier, but they have the whole thing roofed off, so we're not gonna be able to do that. So we will go for a walk and see what we can find. Still not super impressed with Jacksonville Beach. The boardwalks are pretty. It is nice. We were able to park for free during the weekdays, but the bathrooms were super nasty. The water, not good at all. There's like zero visibility under there. What? Yeah, the waves are nice and the temperature is not bad. Not a ton of seashells. The sand is really soft though, so that's definitely a plus. Sorry, Jacksonville. Oh, I'm gonna give Jacksonville Beach 3 out of 5 stars. Was not very impressed. You know, there's definitely some pros, but it's not one that I would make another 3-hour trip for, that's for sure. Not when we've been to places like Juneau and Jensen, and Cocoa Beach is beautiful, St. Augustine. Jacksonville is just not one of those. So I'm not sure if it's just because we've had so many storms too. Maybe it's kicking everything up underneath. I don't know. Maybe we'll try again next year in a season when there's not as much rain and storms and we're not in the middle of hurricane season, and see if it's better. But for now, it's just a no-go for us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I know it's a little bit shorter. We weren't planning on the pier being shut down. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done that. Be sure to check out our review of Juneau Beach. That one is beautiful. All right, guys, have a good one.
If you haven't already, make sure that you hit subscribe and then click on the bell as well and select all so that you can be notified every time we hit a new place up and review it to tell you which nothing.